We go to other news now. The police have issued a high alert for missing British child Tao Rodriguez Fairplay. The police say the toddler, who is from London, was transported to Jamaica by one of her parents. But this evening, a desperate plea from the child's other parent for assistance in locating the child who she's not seen or heard from in over a year.
Dr. Samar Rodriguez clutches a teddy bear, one that once belonged to her 5-year-old daughter, Tao Rodriguez, as she confronts a reality no parent should ever face.
I remember when she was born, I just remember holding her and feeling like I will protect you with everything I have. And she was stolen from me in this way and she was stolen from her life.
Tao Rodriguez Fairplay has been missing since February 2025. Under a joint custody arrangement, the toddler shared time between Dr. Rodriguez and her former spouse, Athena Bell Fairplay. But what was supposed to be a routine handover at a train station in London on February 7 never happened.
I waited for a couple of hours. I called, I texted. Normally, if they were late, I would get a text message that just said train's delayed and, I'll be there in 10 minutes or something like that. And, that was normal and that was fine. But this time I didn't get any message at all. The phone was cut. I checked social media. Her social media was gone.
She said she contacted hospitals and even checked if there were any reports of train crashes and reported the matter with the police. She would later find out that Tao had been taken out of the UK in breach of a court order and brought to Jamaica. TVJ News obtained a copy of this report from the Metropolitan Police in the UK, which indicate that the child left the UK on February 3, 2025. Investigations later revealed that the child was taken to St. Elizabeth. And if struggling with the uncertainty was not already a task, the passage of Hurricane Melissa added another layer of fear for a mother thousands of miles away.
To have seen this hurricane coming, to ask everyone, please, just look for her. Just look, the consular officials, the investigators, the CPFSA, everybody, just please figure out where she is. To experience that and then just afterward see that everything was ruined. I mean, everything, the houses. It felt like if she experienced that, she must be so scared.
The case now spans 2 countries. Under the Hague Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction, which requires urgent return of abducted children. She's made contact with several agencies, to include the Child Protection and Family Service Agency and the police. Take a look at this police report filed in April 2025. The nature of the report is logged as wellness visit of child.
I have met some really compassionate people, on the island. And I've met people who have allowed other things to get in the way of caring for Tao's well-being. It's like, oh, this happens all the time, or, I'm sure she'll pop up somewhere. It's a smaller island. Or they would just say horrible things that just didn't recognize what it's like to suddenly be without your child.
Fast forward a year later, it's logged as a missing person. On Thursday, the police activated a high alert for the missing toddler. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of the child is being asked to contact the Black River Police or the police emergency number at 119. And so, with only memories in her arms, Dr. Rodriguez waits, hoping someone, somewhere, knows where her daughter is.
We love you, Tao. If you see this, we miss you, we love you, we care for you, and there isn't a single day, there's not a single hour that I don't think about you.